Okay, hey, today I'm going to show you the Bike Rack Mono and how to put it on the car and with the bike. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm taking off the front wheel of the bike I'm using. Today we are using a e-bike type of mountain bike. So the wheel for the bike goes in the back, and how I'm going to install it today is that I will put the bike rack on the bike to start with. So alternatively you can put the bike rack on the car, but now I'm putting it on the bike directly. And then I have a nice base when I'm putting it down on the car. So it goes like this. I will take off the protection covers, wipe off the vacuum cups a little bit, then I'm sure there are no dust or debris in between. I will wipe off the mounting area on the car in the same way. And then I'm ready to lift the bike on the car. So I will do it like this, put it down on the car where I want it, push it down a little bit, so making sure that the vacuum cup has a nice seal against the car. Pump each of the vacuum cups for a few seconds until there are no more movement in the pump, and the white indicator on the pumps will not show anymore. Then I know that now I have a proper seal, and you can see even the car is moving all the way around. So I will do the same with the holder for the rear wheel. Wipe it off a little bit, lift up the rear wheel, place it where I want it, pump it down until it has a full amount of vacuum, and secure the rear wheel with the straps on the vacuum cups. Putting it on like this, ready to go. Okay, thanks for watching.